May inputs pa ba kayong gustong piano? Kasi may concepts na kayo, di ba? Familiar na ba kayo sa concepts na gagawin niyo per song? Like, for your song, you have choir. Not yet familiar.
I'm not yet familiar. Kasi nung record namin, ganun. Parang may choir. But, ay, paki-on daw po yung lapel mo.
It's not on.
Kaso daw po, it's too child for me.
Mami, sa akin na iba din, bumagal siya sa umpisa,
Ako din.
tapos saka naging original.
Ako din na iba. Hindi na yung kay Britney kasi super mabaga. Kaya binalik na lang sa dati.
Gusto ko sana yung choir, but
Binalik
pa
mo.
Pero,
kasi sabi ni Sir Monet, it's too child for me. Kaya ginawa namin, ina-hindi ko na lang yung song. Pero, I like, gusto ko rin naman yung parang choir, no record. Para iba.
so you want it with choir? Okay.
Hooks.
How about, yung sa'yo, meron kang booth na parang nasa recording studio. And then, at some point,
Talaga, hindi ko alam. Ay, oo, nakita ko na.
pero na-orient na kayo about your concepts?
Wala pa.
Hindi pa.
Wala pa, hindi pa.
I don't know if it was an orientation kasi parang
But they told you about it.
Po, English
No,
na.
not
You were told that you're gonna have a grand piano.
sinabi sa'yo, ako wala.
Ako, hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Ano po yan?
Pero alam mo yung beat mo, hindi na kasing ano kay
kasi
Britney.
super mababa yun.
Okay. Sa'yo, parang music video yung dating at some point. At the middle or somewhere, at some part ng music mo, you're gonna go down, naka-gown ka na. And
Okay.
stuff. Parang ganon.
Ako, ano po?
Ikaw, sexy. Sexy dance. Poy, Missy Elliott. Ghetto.
Picture for tone.
And yung input mo na sinabi mo na you wanted na may LED na mag-open with smoke in the beginning. Yan.
Tapos yung lights, yellow, neon green.
Okay. And then, for you,
to the
yung
fire.
fire, may fire effects.
Yung sa LED, tapos
Yung parang sa hot air balloon.
Ang galing ba't alam niyo na?
Sinabi siya.
Okay, pero ikaw, may input pa ba kayo? Like, ikaw, do you want any props or something?
Kasi parang, kasi naiba yung,
Papa,
yung arrangement, kaya parang, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gagawin ko.
Okay, sige.
Pero I like
Ganito, mag-one by one tayo muna. Okay? Pero, ngayon, sabihin sa akin, do you want anything pa to add something to your
Pwedeng,
number?
can you suggest us if, ay, ano ba yan?
Chinesh.
Yes.
Ikaw na fixed.
Fixed.
Parang choreography and blocking for you.
English.
None yet.
Ito no.
That's what we're going to do now. That's why if you want any suggestions or do you want any, pag may idea kayo, you know, we can collaborate so that, you know, matutusun natin yung gusto nyo maging kalabasan ng prod number nyo. Okay, so, I'm gonna start with Poy muna. Tapos, tatawagin ko kayo isa-isa. And then we can listen to your music and then you can think, parang ngayon, you can think na kung anong pwede nyo pa ba kami maisip pa kayong suggestions and something. Okay? Tapos, syempre, hindi pa natin matatapos yung piyesa nyo for today. But I'm gonna give you choreography na or blocking and stuff. Okay? Sige. Tapos, dyan muna kayo
Dito lang po kami sa labas. Thank you.
Support muna. Okay? Wait lang.
Pero I like the choir sa akin.
Pero